IPOB leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu takes Nigerian courts to Clèãners, accuse them of subverting the rule of law. Good day, my people. Welcome to the news channel, and this is the news for today. Listen to the news in full. The continuous subversion of the rule of law to an extent of inventing non-existing laws in order to justify the jailing of our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by Justice Binta Onyako and our court has been exposed by the indefatigable leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and IPOB worldwide. Binta Onyako's court's illegality forced the defendant Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to school the compromised Justice Binta Onyako and the Nigerian government on the right processes of the court regarding his case. The indomitable leader of the family and movement of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, appeared before Justice Binta Onyako on 20th of May 2024. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being persecuted for leading Biafrans in exercising Biafra's fundamental human rights for self-determination via peaceful plebiscite referendum, and because of this, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's home at Afaraku, Ibeku, Maya was invaded by the terrorist Nigerian military to assassinate him on September 2017. He was lucky to have escaped, but many IPOB members and his family members were killed. His parents died as a result of the shock of the military invasion and onslaughts that happened in their family's country home. He escaped and left Nigeria to save his life. The same rogue Nigerian government, in desperation to silence him, went to Kenya, kidnapped, tortured, and extraordinary renditioned him to Nigeria since June 2021 without knowing that they committed international law. Since then, he has been detained in a very dehumanizing solitary confinement at the DSS detention facility headquarters at Abuja, being mentally, physically, and emotionally tortured continuously. The Nigerian Appeal Court in Abuja has discharged and acquitted him, but the Nigerian royal government refuses to release him. The Supreme Court of Nigeria condemned his kidnap and extraordinary rendition, including the military invasion of his home that forced him to flee out of Nigeria in 2017, and therefore the Supreme Court affirmed that he did not jump bail. Irrespective of this judgment of the Supreme Court and Appeal Court, as stated above, the compromised Justice Binta Onyako insists that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu jump bail. Justice Binta Onyako is under pressure to jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in lieu of her husband and son, who are under AFCC's investigation for looting Adamawa State Treasury when her husband was the governor of that state. IPOB has called on Justice Binta Onyako to rescue herself from the case of our leader, but she refuses because she is under forced mandate and gunpoint to jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at all costs. Not many judges in Nigeria are willing to destroy their integrity and the Nigerian judiciary to please the Nigerian executive government rascality. But the injustice with Onyako has no choice here, because the freedom of her criminal husband and son lies in the injustice and jailing of Nnamdi Kanu, an innocent man. We want to tell her that IPOB will never be sacrificed for treasury looters like her husband and her son. The Nigerian government cannot benefit from their own illegality. Justice Binta Onyako should save herself from the international embarrassment and pending prosecution that the lawless federal government brought upon Nigeria. Justice Binta Onyako should listen to the lecture of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and go by the rules of law or take her hands off the case. Justice Binta Onyako should stop legal rigmarolling and the shenanigans and stand by the judgment of the appeal court. IPOB's leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has not committed any crime known to law locally and internationally. He is only being persecuted because he is an Igbo man fighting for freedom of his people. Don't forget to like this video, comment under this video, and subscribe to this channel to get more news from this channel.